Hey yo, what's crack-a-lackin'? It's your boy Whack Zach, and I'm back with another banger. Oh, let me fix this camera. So today we have a crazy sneaker. I did get these on Snkrs, the Snkrs app. And some of you guys may already know what it is, but let's just get right into it. I have the box right here. And bang, so here we go. It is Nike Air. There you go. Here's the box. It's red. So yeah, you know, it has like the little white emblems and everything. So Nike Air right there and there. And it has the tag right, the size tag right there. I'll read it for you. It says Airmax 3, white, black, cool gray, and size 12, my size, of course. So yeah, so this is the Airmax 3 and the Radiant red colorway. So I'll just open the box for you, and oh, wait a minute. Okay, so it says right here, Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. And then I think it says the same thing right under it in another language. I don't know what that language is, so I can't read it to you, but yeah. So okay, so this is the box. It has this thing on it. I don't know what you call that, those line things, stripes. But yeah, and obviously the box is damaged. That's unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. It does come with this little information card. It says Nike International Collection Spring 1990, and as you can see, it has these runners right there, and they're all wearing Nike, obviously. And on the inside, it has these like track suits right there. And on the back, it's got this. So I think this is pretty cool. So let's just get right into it. Show you guys what we got here. Bang. So here we go. Airmax 3. Radiant red. Airmax 3, Airmax 90, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing, basically. Oh, and it also comes with these arch supports. Probably not going to use those, so just put them back in the box. Alright. Here we go. So, as some of you guys may know, this is the Airmax 3 Radiant Red, or as some other people may call them, Airmax 90 Infrared. So why is that the case? Is because when they first released, it was the third iteration of the Airmax line, designed by Tinker Hatfield, and the third shoe to have an exposed air unit on it. So, and they were made in 1990, and that's why they called that Airmax 90, and this is the 30th anniversary of this Airmax 3 or Airmax 90, whatever you want to call it. So they made it just like 3 years ago when they retroed the Airmax 1. They made everything like exactly the same as when you would have first got it when it first debuted. They did the same exact thing with these Airmax 90 infrared. So I thought that was really cool that in the 90s you would get this box, the same box, as well as the same information card and the arch supports. I just think that's really cool. So yeah, let's just get right into this shoe. On the right shoe, it does have this, comes with this hang tag, Nike Air translucent plastic hang tag. It's a pretty dope. So on the sole, we have that Airmax 90, Airmax 3 traction outsole. Majority of it is black, with the exception of this red on the sides, as well as on the toe. The toe also wraps up to the cap, or the toe cap. I don't know what you want to call that, but whatever it is, that's what it does. And the midsole is mostly white, and it wraps around to the back, but with this red panel right here of this like rubbery feeling thing, and same thing on this side, and the rest is foam. And of course on the middle of that we have that exposed air unit that goes straight through to the middle of the shoe. You can see straight through. Same thing on the other side. Moving up, it has this nice feeling leather panel on the side, as well as the same rubber piece right here. It says Airmax, if you can see that. This is the same rubber right here that's here, and I think it's the same as the outsole as well. And then up from the black, there's a like almost like a suede or nubuck panel that wraps around the shoe. It goes, well, you can just see it's gray, like suede nubuck feeling material, as well as the same material swoosh, but a tone off, different color gray right there. And we have the eyelets on this rubber piece right here, and also on this black rubber piece up here. You can see the same exact thing on the other side. And of course the mesh toe box, and that same mesh carries around the collar. On the back we got that Nike Air in black on the red back tab. And on the tongue, so this is another like a nylon feeling material, I guess. On the tongue it does say Nike Airmax right there. And yeah, that's about it for the outside of the shoe. White laces, of course. Oh, okay. And also on the back right here, on the back of the tongue, it does have like a soft felt feeling material right there on the tongue, as well as the size tag, size 12. And then on this side right here, it has that 12 again, showing you the size once again. And let me get this out. And right here on the insole, it has the same, it's got the Nike Air right there, and the same material that's used on the back of the tongue, I think, is on the top of the insole, and as well as holes right there, I think for ventilation for your feet so they don't get too hot, I think. And on the back of that we have this it looks like similar, the same like design that's on the outsole of the, okay, no, that's different. Okay, so this top part up here is the same as this, but the bottom is different. But you can tell that like where your foot is touching the like where your foot would normally come in contact with the ground, that's where the padding is on this insole. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's another size tag right there on the insole itself. So that's pretty cool. If you want to see the inside of the shoe, there you go. I mean, it's not too amazing, but yeah. Oh, and also the sock liner for this is a very nice feeling material. I don't know what that is, but it's this, whatever it is, it's the same that's on the inside of the tongue. That's about it. So all that's left now is to go into some B-roll. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. This is, for me, this is by far the best pickup of this year, I think. Yeah, you know, just a classic shoe. Got that infrared or radiant red colors, and the color blocking. Everything about this shoe is just so amazing. In hand, it's 100 times better. Like, it may not be like a Kobe or an Off-White Jordan 5, but in my opinion, this shoe is better because it's so like timeless. Like, you can wear this with so many different things and it'll still look good. Yeah, the materials, everything that's used on this was definitely makes it so much better. Like, the packaging, everything about this shoe, I like it. So if you want to get a pair like this, you could probably find it on StockX. It's not too much over retail, I'm sure. And even if you don't like this colorway, they have a bunch of different colorways. And they have those new the Recraft series, where it's just like the materials are just a little bit different, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. They have like a royal blue one, they have like a neon green one, like a forest green, I think, and like pink, teal, purple, orange, like so many different colors. Like, you could get one in every color of the rainbow, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. If you like these shoes, make sure you drop a like. If you like anything else about the video, subscribe, comment your favorite part about these, or maybe comment your favorite colorway of the Airmax 90 line. So that's my review, and peace out. Don't forget to floss.